Roast chicken with apple stuffing. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Pat the chicken dry with paper towel. To make the stuffing, heat oil in a medium frying pan over medium heat. Cook a leek and pancetta stirring for 5 minutes or until the leek softens. Transfer to a bowl. Add the breadcrumbs, walnut, sage, pear, and apple. Add the egg and stir. Gently slide your fingers between the flesh and skin of the chicken breast to loosen. Place half the butter and sage leaves under the skin on each breast. Spoon the stuffing loosely into the chicken cavity. Use kitchen string to tie the legs together. This helps keep the stuffing in place. Brush the chicken with oil. Season well with salt and pepper. Arrange the onion around the pan and pour the chicken stock around the pan. Roast for 30 minutes. Then reduce the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and roast for a further 30 minutes. Arrange the pear and apple around the pan and roast for a further 20 minutes. To make the gravy, pour any pan juices from the roasting pan into a jug and reserve. Add butter to the pan and melt over medium heat. Stir in flour and cook for 3 minutes until lightly brown, scraping the base of the pan as you stir. Add apple cider, chicken stock, and reserved pan juices and cook, stirring constantly for 5 minutes or until gravy boils and thickens. Serve the chicken with gravy and steamed green beans.